Hi everyone, so I have a kit from yourcreativestudio.com. I'll leave a link down below to their website and to their Instagram. So this kit is Capture. So we're gonna open this on up and see what they sent. I love their little cards. You could definitely save this to go ahead and alter. Like, look at, that's perfect right there to just go ahead and glue it down like it's a little embellishment. And then their paper, definitely save that. You could color this in or use it as a background or cut it to make little ephemera pieces. I love that all their kits are, you know, like vintage vibes. Very, very nice. Let's see. So we have washi. Save these bags. These bags are definitely perfect for junk journals as well. Their entire kits are good for junk journals. So I always try not to rip the stickers because, like I said, you can reuse everything. So here's the washi. Oh, it has little cameras. That's really cute. Let me see if I can find the end here. So there you go. That's what the washi looks like right there. Very, very pretty. So we have washi. We have a stamp. So it always shows what the item is. So we got a little camera in this one. Oh, that's cute. Oops, I ripped it. This actually tucks in. There's a little slot right there. That's a really cute little envelope to keep. So we have our little vintage camera stamp. And you can see the back is very detailed. Really, really nice. We have another stamp, which is like an old school camera on its tripod. Oh, there's two in there. Oh, I love this. It's like a film strip. So I have a little film strip. And then here is the camera and then like all the equipment down on the bottom. The camera up on top. That's really cute. Oh, look. It's a little camera charm. That is super, super cute. Love it. There we go. Super cute. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, are these little postage? Let's see. So we have our little box here, which is really cute. Oh, it's a little book. Oh, it is little postage stamps. Let's see. All very vintage looking. Ooh, I like the car. Pizza? What? Sunny needs that one. These are really pretty. They feel like they're vellum. Let me see. Oh, she's pretty too. Let's see, how do these peel off? Do they peel off in a square or... You guys, I love these nails. They're so cute, but I'm so ready to get rid of them. Like, just the simple task of even taking this off is a mission. Okay, finally. So it is cut off into a little square. So if you want to have that little stamp edging, you would have to cut that. But because it is on a vellum sticker, it shouldn't make a difference that it's shaped into a little square. So that's what those look like. What do we have? Oh, like a little ephemera kit. Midnight letter, 30 pieces. You get your little twine in there. So we got our twine. We have some vellum stickers here. Dropped a couple circles here that actually have like little cursive writing to it already. Write a letter. Little clock, which goes really cute with that bunny if you wanted to go for like an Alice in Wonderland theme. You got little circles. Now, are these paper or are these stickers? I think these might just be paper. Some more little circles. Some little squares. Oh, that's pretty. A little lady right there playing the piano. Some labels. Oh, looks like a family crest or something. And then some little tags. Oh yeah, see, definitely Alice in Wonderland vibes with this kit. Oh, that lady's really pretty. And just those little ones right there. So that's in the little ephemera kit. What is this one? Maybe like a little notebook. Oh no, it isn't. It switches every so often to a different pattern. Oh, is that the queen? Look. Oh. Oh, look at our little flag down there. And horsies. Oh, look, like Australia. So that's cute that you get a couple of each. Oh, look at this cover too. It's like a frosted vellum. That's nice. Now let's see. We have Time Traveler. Ooh. There's gonna be like a bunch of newspaper clippings maybe. Let's see what's in here. Oh, they're different sizes. So we have like little squares. Oh yeah, like little newspaper articles. Maybe some advertisements. Yeah, that looks like ads, right? Very cool. Ooh, what happened to them? Oh, these are very, very cool. Definitely vintage junk journal vibes right here. Ooh, Titanic. Love that movie. And something with coal and oil fuel. Very nice little paper pads. You got paper ephemera. Oh, look at that like ink spot right there. Maybe it's tea. Oh, these have like a texture to them. I'm not sure you can see that, but it's like textured paper. Oh, I like the way those feel. Yeah, those feel really nice. So let's see. These front ones are just like regular, like not quite cardstock, maybe like a 65-pound paper. I have these upside down. Oh yeah, I did. Oh look, see there's that like nice texture paper. Oh yeah, so you get some in the regular and then some over in that texture paper. I love that texture paper. That's what those look like. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look, it is like a little coin purse. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely sticking this in my bag. I love that so, so much. This is awesome. So you got a little coin purse. I don't think there's anything in there, but we'll double check because I don't want to miss anything because it felt kind of fluffy. Oh, okay. There was just a little padding in here because it felt like something. Oh, look at the inside. It's green. And it's got like this corduroy to it. That's really nice. Put that little in there. But I'm definitely going to use this for my coins. That is too cute. Love that. That's pretty big too. Look at that. Almost the size of my hand. Let's see. Got a chicken. Is he a fancy chicken with a bow tie? I think he has a bow tie. Oh, he's a cool chicken. Look at him. He's got a hat, glasses, a bow tie, and then his camera back here. He is a very, very fancy chicken. Look, again, all those little details, all those little, like, feathers. Very, very detailed stamp. And let's see, down to our last little couple of items here. We have some vellum camera stickers. Come in 2 sizes. This is like tissue paper. Love this stuff. You could easily tear it and then make your own little background. So we got the little camera pieces there, and you usually get a couple of sheets in there. And our last little pack is this ephemera pack. I really love this kit. I want to get into like video and photography. I would love to expand to a regular like travel YouTube channel, not just like still continue on my craft channel, obviously, because that's where I started. Ooh, this is vellum. But also expand into recording some of my traveling, just to have like a digital scrapbook. So all this photography stuff is very interesting because it's something that I'm realizing I'm gonna need to learn to do, to take better photos and to take better videos. So I'm loving this kit right now. I love that they sent a vellum one. So you have the regular sheets. You get 3 regular sheets. 4. I think there's one stuck. Maybe 3, and then the vellum that matches. I love that so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.